Miami Stem Cell, we use regenerative science to help the scalp repair and strengthen itself, encouraging natural growth rather than relocating follicles. Our treatments use umbilical cord-derived mesenchymal stem cells and exosomes, which are being studied for their ability to reduce inflammation and send signals that support thicker, healthier hair. These regenerative materials come from ethically donated umbilical cords after full-term births and are processed in FDA-registered labs under the highest safety and quality standards. The procedure is simple and non-surgical, using microinjections or microneedling to target thinning areas. Most people return to normal activity the same day, with visible improvement often developing over the following months. Although these therapies are experimental and not FDA-approved, many patients share encouraging experiences, and research continues to expand. At Miami Stem Cell, we combine science, transparency, and care to guide you toward your hair restoration goals. Schedule your free consultation today to learn more.